Merging. The ArCADia system has several modules for designing architecture, water supply, gas, heating, electrical installations, sewage and telecommunication networks, and construction. Each industry works on separate files, but if they come out of a single architect's project, they can be merged at the end and checked for collisions, such as intersections and overlapping elements of individual industries combined into one project. For this purpose, the Merge Documents option has been created. It is located on the System ribbon. After choosing the command, in the window that appears, we select the project that we will merge with the open document. In the Merge window, we have Document A, which is the one that we had opened. In our case, it is the architectural design. Document B is the installation project. A third document will be created from the previously mentioned projects. You can enter its name or leave the default name. In this part, we choose what will be in the third document. So, from the first, we select which architectural elements and terrain, and from the second, the electrical installation. After acceptance, a third project will be created. If elements in the merged document were turned off, they will be entered in the new window exactly in the same way, so they will not be visible either. We save the entered changes. We enter another industry into the model. We will open all projects at the same time so that we will accelerate the merging of the model. The projects are open. We switch to the merged project of architecture and electrical installations. We save it just in case. We're merging more individual industries. If projects are open, you can see them in the list. We select consecutive files. We choose what we enter from document A and B, and we merge projects. You can save the new file under its own name. The gas installation has been merged with the project. You can see it in the preview. Before the next merging, we save the project and proceed analogously when entering new industries. We will not need the material lists entered with subsequent industries to check the project. We can disable or delete it. In the 3D view, we have already enabled all industries. All elements are visible. We will check if everything is included in the view. If not, we turn it on. In the 3D view, most of the elements are covered by walls. We can make them a bit transparent so we can see the installations. There is a little more to see. For even more readability, we can turn off the entire architectural part. Then, much smaller elements of the installations can be seen.